Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. We are about to show you the triple diamond gallery of Corvettes. So buckle up, smash that thumbs up, stay tuned. Alright, let's start us off with this 1972 Chevrolet LT1 4-speed. Gotta love it. This thing looks beautiful. What's this color? Tell me. I do not know, but I like it. In fact, I love it. LT1 is on the very, very short list for Corvette Dan and Corvette Debbie. I want a 70. This is nice too. Let's move on. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette. Last of the Stingrays, they call it, at least until they came back in, what was that, 2014? Yep. Anyway, our sugar. Gotta love it. Blue over blue. I think it's a 4-speed. Anyway, let's move on. 1981 Chevrolet Corvette Triple Diamond Award winner. This is nice. I think that's a mild custom. I don't know if all those stripes are on it or not. You tell me, but it's nice nonetheless. It really is a nice shape, and it's being judged right now. And it looks like it has the original window sticker. There's an electronically controlled carburetor. I know how to fix those. Anyway, let's move on here. Now we have another Corvette here, another Triple Diamond Award winner. It is a C4 1989 convertible, red over red. Do not know what color top it is, but it also has the window sticker. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And then we're going to see the 1992 Corvette ZR1 Triple Diamond Award winner. Oh, love that black. Love the ZR1s. Beautiful car. Looks like a tan interior or a silver interior. Let's get a closer look. We'll tell you. That might be the original window sticker as well. What do you think? It's hard to tell, but I'm thinking that's a silver interior, and that is manual transmission. There's that 32 valve Lotus inspired engine. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Gotta love it. Here we have some more triple diamond Corvettes for you. This is a 67 Chevrolet 427, 400 horse. 3 carbs, 4-speed. Love it. I don't think that's an original window sticker, but it is a copy. Nonetheless. Bloomington Gold certified. And then we have a 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Triple Diamond Award winner. Look at that Stinger hood. You gotta love it. I love it. The 435 horse question. Can you answer it? Let me know what you think. Love that green. Yes, I do. Headrests, I don't know if those were a common option in 67, but nonetheless, this car has it. We have another 1967 Chevrolet Corvette. 427, side pipes. Nice. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that car. Black interior, I'm assuming 4-speed. And here we have a 1967, another Triple Diamond Corvette. This is probably a 327, my guess. Blue over blue. Not sure what you want to call that blue. I'm sure you'll tell me. And then we have another 1967 Chevrolet Corvette. Convertible, Triple Diamond. It just keeps going on and on. There's another 1967 red over red. Triple Diamond.
I knew about it for 8 years. I kept calling it.
How many 67s are here? That's 327. That's a 327. Looks like a Holly carb. Nice. Love it. Another 1967 427. Mid-years they call these. This was the generation that ran the shortest of all Corvettes. What was the second shortest generation? The C7. Anyway, 68. Love the 68s. They get underappreciated, and I don't know why. Yeah, you could tell me, but I could put down any particular argument about that. 427. It's carried over from the 67. Ooh, tri-power, 4-speed, black over red convertible. It doesn't get much better than this. Absolutely. And we have another L88. This one has side pipes. 1969, not 68. Sorry. I knew when I said 68 something was wrong as soon as I saw the side pipes, because we all know the only C3 that came from the factory with side pipes was, of course, the 1969 427. Black over maroon, 4-speed. We have another 69 427. We won't be able to get a good look at this right now, but it's beautiful nonetheless. And here are two of Corvette Dan's second favorite Corvettes of all time. The 63 split window. We have one in gold. We have one in a red, let's call it. The gold has red interior. The red has black interior. Let's check them out. 327s, both of them, I assume. In fact, I think that would be the only engine available. That does look like an original window sticker. Tell me what you think. That does appear to be a 4-speed car. I love it. I want one. Probably out of my price range. That's okay. You never know what will happen in the future. Let's move on. We have another split window here. Again, it's the gold.
Better than that.
No, it doesn't get any better than this, folks. That is a correct statement. That is such a correct statement. I love this. Split windows are just about my favorite, if not my favorite. Anyway, here we have another 63, but this is a convertible with a 327. It's got a black interior. It's got a tan convertible top. This is cool. Ooh, this looks like... Is this a tanker? I don't know. Black over red, 4-speed, 63, 327. You tell me what this is, folks. I can't really tell by looking at it here. Love the 63s. This is a beautiful car. It is definitely the split window. And we have another 63. All these are triple diamond cars. This is a 327, red over red, 4-speed, convertible. Love it. Let's get another look at another split window. Oh, you can't show me enough split windows, folks. I love them. I love the split windows. Absolutely love the split windows. And what do we have here? The last of the C1 1962 Chevrolet Corvette. That's a 283, I believe. That's fuel injected. That's cool. We love it. We love it. This looks like another 1962 Chevrolet Corvette. Red, let's call it red over black. 4-speed, 283, fuel injected. Looks like the same color. Or maybe it's the lighting. It does look like the same color though. And I think this is a third 1962 Chevrolet Corvette in what appears to me to be the same color. Crazy that you would see 3 of them like this in a row. But in fact, that's what I believe we are seeing here. 1959 Chevrolet Corvette, convertible, 283, white over red, 4-speed. Man, triple diamond, and I can see why. This is beautiful. This is incredible. This is for you. What do you think? I love it. And here we have, 1966 Corvette, 427, side pipes, 390 horse. Love it. Midyear, black interior. I don't even know what to call this exterior color. I'm going to say a pewterish silver.
It's Mossport green and it has a dark green interior.
Mossport green with the dark green interior. I am glad I asked. And no better way to finish off this video than to say thank you. And I appreciate it. Smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell. Stay tuned for more. We just saw the Triple Diamond Gallery at Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals 2025. Thanks again.